Understanding, Reinforce the Troops, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, reinforce the troops. This expression is not just about military actions. It's a powerful way to talk about support and strength. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place to understand this intriguing expression. Let's get started. Reinforce the troops consists of two key parts: reinforce and troops. To reinforce means to strengthen or support, especially in terms of numbers or material. Troops, on the other hand, refers to soldiers or military personnel. When we put these words together, the phrase generally means to add strength to a military group by providing additional personnel or resources. While the phrase, reinforce the troops, originates from a military context, it's also used metaphorically in everyday language. It can describe any situation where support is added to strengthen a group or effort. For example, in a workplace, if a team is working on a tight deadline, bringing in more workers or resources is a way to reinforce the troops. It highlights the importance of teamwork and support in achieving common goals. To help you grasp how to use reinforce the troops in various contexts, let's look at some examples. In a business setting, the project deadline is approaching, and we need to reinforce the troops by bringing in extra freelancers. In sports, our team is losing momentum. It's time to reinforce the troops with some fresh players from the bench. In education, the tutoring center is overwhelmed with requests for help, so they're reinforcing the troops with volunteer tutors. These examples show that reinforcing the troops can be a strategic move in many areas of life, not just in military scenarios. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, reinforce the troops, and its versatile applications in both literal and figurative contexts. Remember, learning phrases like this not only improves your English but also helps you understand the nuances of the language. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you in the future. Stay curious, and keep learning.